जब गुड़गांव की बात आती है हर कोई सोचता है यार देयर इज सो मच ऑफ पॉल्यूशन, हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स, इतना ट्रैफिक। बट आज मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ एक ऐसी जगह जिसका टोटली इंटायर इकोसिस्टम ही डिफरेंट है। सो मच ऑफ ग्रीनरी, luxurious development, and everything is there. So welcome to a new project to Sobha Aranya in partnership with Karma Lakelands in Sector 80. This is the only project which is coming inside Karma Lakelands, Sobha Aranya, known for its eco-friendly and luxurious development. The main highlights of this project are you will enjoy a no plastic zone, no honking zone, total greenery. Sobha Aranya project is being developed inside Karma Lakelands. Karma Lakelands is a beautiful area, approx 270 acres of land, in which 41 acres of land is covered by forest. Karma Lakelands is known for its award-winning 9-hole golf course. Also, there are many organic farms inside Karma Lakelands. There can be luxurious events hosted inside the Karma Lakelands. Also, there are over 2 lakh plus trees inside Karma Lakelands. Such a beautiful ecosystem, so much of greenery. There is rainwater harvesting, no plastic zone, so many trees inside the project. Aranya is a very beautiful project being built by Sobha Group. अगर आप सोभा ग्रुप में इन्वेस्ट करते हो then it is already a public listed company. Sobha Group is present in 14 states and 27 cities in India. Also overseas like in Dubai. Aranya project में total land parcel area है around 31.28 acres, जिसमें से 85% is the green zone. So today we have Mr. Pranay from Sobha Aranya जो हमें लेके जा रहे हैं tour पे of this beautiful property Sobha Aranya within Karma Lakelands. So hello sir.
Hello.
Yeah. So why you have chosen Sobha Group has chosen inside Karma Lakelands? What is the reason for coming here?
Yeah. So I tell you, I mean, we all would agree to one thing कि future में अगर हम true luxury किसी चीज़ को बोलेंगे, that would be openness, right? I think specifically in metro cities जहाँ पे it's overcrowded now, I would say. तो वहाँ पे the biggest issue is कि लोगों को खुली जगह नहीं मिलती. The only open spaces we have is parks, which is also overcrowded now. So this is a place which is completely maintained naturally, and यहाँ पे it's as you can see, or I'm sure it must be
so
getting
much
captured.
greenery.
It's totally green, right? Wildlife is preserved over here. So वहाँ पे when it's a good combination of the best, one of the finest construction and nature.
Nature.
Yeah.
That famous award-winning 9-hole golf course.
Yeah. So it was a 9-hole golf course, but a few months back they have introduced a signature hole, which is a 10th hole. And from a drone view, it looks like it's in the shape of map of India. Like if you take an aerial view, that's how it will look at. So it's a signature hole. It's very close to our sample unit. This is also organic farming, right? This is basically a nursery where you see all the plants and stuff. This is the lake. यहाँ पे आप बोटिंग, kayaking कर सकते हैं. You have a lot of fishes inside. This is rainwater.
Rainwater.
Because
Okay.
Shobha में we follow some eco-sustainable practices. So this is rainwater. We have 5 different lakes.
So beautiful and so quiet here. Just look at these views. Also inside Karma Lakelands there are many villas. आप अपने weekend getaway के लिए, family staycation के लिए यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. Just look at the place. बाहर के अमेजिंग व्यूज देख के तो आई होप आपका भी दिल खुश हो गया होगा. बट अब आप सोच रहे होगे यार यहाँ पे तो ओनली फॉर फैमिली गेट अवे या स्टे अकेशन के लिए आ सकते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. मैंने आपको बताया सोभा अरान्या इज कमिंग विद देयर लग्जूरियस डेवलपमेंट इनसाइड कर्मा लेकलैंड्स. तो अब आ जाओ मेरे साथ और हम टूर पे चलते हैं फॉर अ सैंपल फ्लैट विजिट. Is this? I think something kind of experience center है या फिर what is this? Because I've heard Sobha की construction quality is very good. So if you can tell us.
So globally, Shobha as a developer is known for its construction quality, and this is our experience center where we actually showcase why we are different, right? From roots to roof, why we are outstanding with our construction and the level of development we do.
सोबा जाना जाता है अपनी बेस्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी के लिए, और यहाँ पे आप देख ही सकते हो, दे हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्प्लेड देयर ऑल द कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल ओवर हियर. So if you are also the one who loves to live close to the nature, then come with me and have a look at this beautiful apartment by Sobha Araka. Beautiful entry foyer area. यहाँ से move करते हैं, इधर है आपका living and dining area. Just look at it. This is so spacious. डाइनिंग एरिया इतना स्पेशियस है कि ऑलरेडी यू कैन सी 8 सीटर डाइनिंग. ये है आपका कॉमन पैसेज एरिया, जिसको आप अपनी नीड के अकॉर्डिंग यूज कर सकते हो. आप इसको एज अ मंदिर के लिए आप इसको जगह को यूज कर सकते हो, और यू कैन यूज इट फॉर योर एनी पर्सनल यूटिलाइजेशन. चलते हैं देखने द फर्स्ट रूम, मास्टर बेडरूम ऑफ दिस अमेजिंग. This is your spacious master bedroom. How beautiful it is, and along with it comes your walk-in closet. Also आप देख सकते हो कि though it's a one home, but हर रूम की इस अपार्टमेंट में एक अपना लेवल ऑफ privacy भी है. अब हम मूव करते हैं to the second room. अब लेके चलते हैं आपको थर्ड रूम में. Now look at the size of this room also. It also comes with attached washroom and attached balcony. Imagine करना है, छोड़ो imagination. देखो, just look at this view. जब आपको मिलेगा सुबह उठते ही these amazing golf views every day. So this is your lovely deck area with the apartment. इसमें आपको साथ में मिलेगा this green grass. Let me take you to the heart of the house now. So this is a beautiful kitchen which comes with all the modular fittings, attached chimney. How spacious is this? Also they have a separate wet area which is outside the kitchen. आपको एक attached balcony मिलेगी, एक नहीं दो attached balconies with living and dining room of this apartment. एक ऐसी जगह, एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम जहाँ पे एयर क्वालिटी बाहर से इतनी ज़्यादा लो है, इतना ज़्यादा आप ग्रीन एरिया से सराउंडेड हो, सच अ पीसफुल लिविंग यू विल गेट. तो ऐसी जगह को आप अपना घर बनाना चाहते हो, सो DM और कनेक्ट विद अस राइट नाउ ऑन द नंबर गिवन बिलो. More updates and more information on real estate, join our WhatsApp community today, and also please follow, like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.